Sarindia Maharani,
My name is Maulidia Hikmah.
and we will share our view on smoking on campus. Have you noticed that the smoking rules on our campus have gotten a lot stricter lately? Earlier, I saw the student getting scolded pretty harshly by a security guard near the engineering cafeteria.
Oh yeah, I heard that too. Actually, I think it's a really good move when the campus should be a smoke-free zone. After all, the air is fresh and the environment feels cleaner for us to study in.
I agree about the health and sheer comfort aspect, but in my opinion, a total ban without any transition period is a bit difficult to enforce. Students are adults, they have the right to their personal choice. So the problem, if it's completely banned without a solution, they just end up smoking secretly in the restroom or in secluded corner with poor ventilation.
I understand your point about individual rights, but the problem is if people are allowed to smoke anywhere, non-smokers like me end up bearing the direct consequence. You know yourself that the medical risks of secondhand smoke are often said to be more dangerous because you are inhaling unfiltered smoke.
Well, that's actually the point I want to make. Instead of a total ban that just lead to us playing hide and seek with the staff, why doesn't the university just set up a, a proper smoking area? It could be located far from the lecture hall, labs, or library, but still within walk distance.
The idea of smoking area has actually been discussed many times at student organization meetings, but many professors also disagree. The reason is that the university wants to build an image of healthy and modern educational institution. If the official provide this net area, it will seem as though the university legitimizing or supporting the habit of smoking itself.
But we are talking about the reality on the ground. Let many students and even some staff members of professor smoke. In my opinion, providing this night area is not far of support, but a form of risk management. With a centralized location, the smoke won't be carried by the wind into the classroom hallways, and cigarette but won't be carted in the garden flower pots.
When it comes to cleanliness, I totally agree. It really bothers me to see cigarette butts between the park benches, a place that's supposed to be for us to relax. But are you sure that if there are this net area, smoking will actually follow the rules? Sometimes people are just too lazy to walk for just to smoke for 5 minutes.
That's a matter of discipline and education. That's why, if proper facilities are provided, the university has a strong basis for imposing strict penalties on violators. It's fair, right? You have the right to clean air the main campus area, and smokers have a designed space to doesn't bother others.
But writing about it from the university budget perspective, friend, building a designated smoking area with exhaust fans or air filters costs a significant amount of money. Would it be better use that money to improve lab facility or boost Wi-Fi speed in the library? It just doesn't feel right that our tuition fees are being used to accommodate a habit that's harmful to health.
That's a reasonable argument, but there's also a cost to manually cleaning up cigarette. But every day, right beside the space doesn't have to be fancy. An open area with shade and this decided trust bins will suffice. The point is to spare part the space so there's no social conflict between smoker and non-smoker.
I still feel that a complete smoke-free campus is more elegant. If people really want to smoke, they can do so outside the campus gate. That's why the environment inside the campus surely maintains high health standard. This is also about fostering a healthy lifestyle among students before they graduate and enter the workforce.
But even in the workplace, many places now implement this smoking area. Lit. It's rare to be find an office that bans smoking entirely without offering any alternative. I feel the transitioning from a total ban to a regulated system is more human than forcing everyone to quit immediately or having to walk a long way outside the gates during short class breaks.
Well, maybe we just have different perspective on this, but I appreciate your opinion, which leans more toward a middle ground. If the campus really wants to try the system, maintenance has to be strict and forced. We can that area turn into a slum or a gathering spot that makes other afraid to walk through there.
I agree that area needs to stay orderly. If the place is well maintained and clean, even smoker will think twice before causing a disturbance of littering. The point is not about who's right, but how we can share public space in a way that show mutual respect.
True, that care really is mutual respect. You are not harming my lungs, and I can still be friends with you without having to go home with smoke stained clothes. By the way, it's almost 10 o'clock. We need to head to the main building for our group meeting.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Come on, we'll be late and get scolded by the professor again. We'll continue our discussion later, okay?
Let's go. No running around like last week.
Thank
Bye.
you.
See you.